The depth of life matters most. Ralph Waldo Emerson, a wise thinker, once said, "It is not length of life, but depth of life." What he meant is that the value of our lives isn't measured by how long we live, but by how fully we live each moment. Think of life like a book. Some books are very thick, with hundreds of pages, but they might not be that interesting or meaningful. Other books are shorter, yet every page is filled with excitement, wisdom, and emotion. Which one would you rather read? Emerson believed that a short but rich life, full of meaningful experiences, is far more valuable than a long life spent without truly living. So, what does it mean to live deeply? It's about being present in each moment, building strong relationships, learning, growing, and making the most out of the opportunities we have. It's about quality, not quantity. Imagine two friends. One spends their days doing the same routine over and over, just passing time. The other friend seeks out new experiences, learns something new every day, and builds strong connections with the people around them. Even if both friends live the same number of years, the second friend's life feels richer and more fulfilling because they've packed those years with depth and meaning. Living deeply can also mean taking the time to reflect on what matters most to you. Instead of just going through the motions, ask yourself what brings you joy, what challenges help you grow, and how you can contribute positively to the lives of others. When you focus on these things, you add depth to your life, making every day count. Emerson's idea encourages us to prioritize how we live rather than how long we live. It's a reminder that life is not just about the number of years we get, but about filling those years with experiences, relationships, and actions that make our lives truly meaningful. If you find this video very helpful, please subscribe, like and share for others people to learn.